Hello everyone. Today's topic is who is jealous of you and why. So I have already shuffled the cards so that we can save the time. So let's get started. This is going to be general reading. You don't have to choose any file. If this video finds you, this is for you. Okay. So let's start. Okay, so this person is someone who has broke your heart in the past. Okay. This person have broke your heart in the past. He was in devil energy. He just wanted his best in his life and he cheated on you. And now he see you very independent, financially, mentally, emotionally person, very successful, and he thinks you are a wish fulfillment. And now he's so depressed. He don't know what to do, how to do, and he doesn't think you can accept him now. You're so okay with that person without that person. If this person is so much in regret, they want to give justice to you. Now I see you as this fulfillment, as you can see this card. Ten of Cups, King of Cups, Seven of Wands. This person see you as wish fulfillment, very attractive, magnetic, very beautiful, charming, and he don't know what to do now. He see you like flower, more gorgeous than a moon, and he can't find someone better than you, he or she. Okay, so this person is so jealous of you that you are moving away, moving on from this person. You are the separation is not bothering you. That's really bothering that person, and he's so jealous, he's so triggered that why you are not coming back to that person. His ego is crashing down. So just keep doing that. Don't approach that person. Let him know your worth in this separation. Okay. So let's see some channeled songs. Sorry, not songs. Messages from that person. And first of all, with the from divine also. One message, two. Okay. Enough. One more. Okay. Ma Durga blessing is coming. Okay, so this is beautiful. Ma Durga is blessing you. Mahadev is happy with the karma. This is beautiful because there is Sawan month is going on in India. Okay, the cycle of heavy burdens is completing. Wow. So all your difficulties in life is now removing, and Mahadev is happy with your karma. He is resolving everything in this Shravan month. Okay, let's see some channeled messages from that person who is jealous of you. Okay, one message. This no, not this one. Two and three. Okay, you are the most beautiful goddess I have ever met. That's why he's regretting. Okay, things never get off the ground with us. Why? This person is wondering why everything is not working out. I love you more than me that need to be saved in order to unite. So this person think about you more than he should. This is what he think right now. Okay, these are the messages. Claim this reading, like and subscribe so that you can claim the energy. Let's see some guidance from universe. One, prosperity lies ahead. Okay, if you're not abundant and successful right now, you will successful, and that person will be so jealous about you more than now. So think more about your success, prosperity, and your career rather than thinking of someone else. Okay, instead of focusing on this person, you should now focus on your career, and you need to try to build yourself and your life. Prosperity ahead, you just need to work. Everything in the corner, everything is waiting for you. Just you need to work and go and grab that. Okay, that's what it is. Thank you so much. Claim this reading.